Welcome to Building Your Ideal Customer Profile, ICP, Step by Step. This video is designed for B2B marketing and sales professionals, demand generation specialists, and anyone looking to optimize their customer targeting strategy. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable framework to build a strong ICP, leading to more qualified leads and significantly higher conversion rates. Did you know that 73% of B2B companies have weak ICPs? This leads to thousands of dollars wasted on prospects who never buy. I'm Manoj, and I'm here to share a 5-question framework that has given my clients a 67% increase in qualified pipeline. This isn't just theory. It's proven results for building a strong, ideal customer profile that transforms your sales and marketing efforts. So why do so many companies struggle with their ICPs? The biggest mistake we see is treating all customers the same. This quote-unquote one-size-fits-all approach is a recipe for inefficiency and wasted resources. Think about it. Typically, 20% of your customers generate 80% of your revenue. If you're focusing on everyone, you're diverting precious resources away from your most valuable segments. The key is to build your ideal customer profile around your best customers, those who are most profitable, easiest to serve, and most likely to succeed with your product or service. Common ICP mistakes include being too broad, making assumptions instead of using data, and failing to update your ICP regularly. The result? Unqualified leads, tire kickers, and deals that just don't close. This leads to frustrated sales teams and a lot of wasted time and money. Before we dive into the framework, let's clarify a crucial distinction: the difference between an ideal customer profile and a buyer persona. These terms are often confused, but understanding their unique roles is vital for effective targeting. An ICP defines the ideal company that is a perfect fit for your product or service. A buyer persona, on the other hand, defines the person within that ideal company who makes the purchasing decision. For example, your ICP might be B2B SaaS companies, 50 to 200 employees, with $10 to $50M arranged by. Your buyer persona within that ICP could be Sarah, VP of Marketing, who is frustrated with manual processes. The key takeaway: your ICP determines your market, while your persona determines your message. Now let's get to the core of building a powerful ICP, my 5-question framework. This systematic approach ensures you gather all the necessary data to define your truly ideal customers. Question 1. Who are your most profitable customers? Rank them by lifetime value, retention rate, and expansion potential. Question 2. What are their shared traits? Look for common industry, company size, geographic location, and growth stage. Question 3. What are their buying triggers? This could be new funding rounds, leadership changes, or compliance requirements. Question 4. What outcomes have they achieved with your solution? Focus on specific business impacts, like cost savings or revenue growth. And finally, question 5. What are your disqualifiers? Who should you not target? This could be companies that are too small, using the wrong tech stack, or have persistent budget issues. Knowing who to avoid is just as important as knowing who to target. Building your ICP is just the first step. The real magic happens when you activate it across your sales and marketing efforts. This means using your ICP to guide every strategic decision. Use your ICP to tailor your content. For example, scaling demand gen for Series B SaaS companies. This makes your message highly relevant. And choose the right channels. Enterprise CISOs are on LinkedIn, not TikTok. Implement precise targeting, like quote, marketing managers at 50 to 200 employee SaaS companies. And finally, create an ICP scorecard. Assign points for criteria like industry, 20 points, size, 15 points, budget, 20 points, and authority, 15 points. A score of 70 plus indicates a qualified lead. Your ICP is not static. It's an evolving document. Review it quarterly. Conduct win/loss analyses, consider product changes, and adapt to market shifts. Continuous refinement ensures your ICP remains accurate and effective. You've now learned how to build and activate a powerful, ideal customer profile. This framework is your blueprint for attracting the right customers and closing more deals. Your action plan: first, audit your existing customers to identify your most profitable ones. Second, complete the 5-question framework using data. Third, create your ICP scorecard. Your next step should be buyer journey mapping, which we'll cover tomorrow. Download our free ICP template using the link below. What's your biggest lead qualification challenge? Share it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on B2B marketing and demand generation.